Hey everybody, Marie from Minard's Leisure World here in Weyburn, Saskatchewan, and today I'm going to feature for you the 2557 Northern Spirit. The Northern Spirit is by Coachmen RV. We are able to sell this product because we are an RV care dealer. So please go back to the home screen on our webpage and click on the RV care tab, and it's going to tell you all the great features about belonging to this network of service. Very, very special. This 2557 RB is a rear bathroom floor plan, one slide, 25 feet and 5,700 pounds. I just gave away our secret there. This has got a walk around bed at the front, mom and pop coach. We're going to have a look here and start at the front. We've got a laminated sidewall construction, pass-through compartment, lots of features in this product line. So what you're getting is lots of functional features, and this little thing right here is a socket for your jacks. So, and it goes back in its little hiding spot. There is fishing rod storage in here, lots of pet-friendly areas too. This is the solar plug-and-play system. If you want to equip your trailer with solar, we've got that right here. And this is, we found out what this is. I had to make an email, but that's an extra bracket. You can buy a level up adapter here and then sync it to your phone. So it's going to help you level your coach a little bit easier and more friendly. Big awning on your campsite, two-way water heater, wide suspense or wide track axles. With the aluminum wheels, so that's going to disperse the weight a little bit better, make it easier to tow, and under 6,000 pounds. That's great for a half ton. We've got the friction hinge main door. All of this is under that awning. Solid step system. A lot of the brands are going to this step above system, which we love because it folds right into your door frame, locks into place. And then as easy as that, she folds down, makes the trailer quite stable to go in and out. If you want to have a look at the very back, this mom and pop coach comes with an outside kitchen. So lots of people want to see these camp stoves and mini fridges in a kitchen, and these guys did it quite nicely. There we go, just tucks that. Magnetic hold back door, right like that. Puppy leash latch right here too. And then there is a dog wash station on the other side of the trailer. Scroll through the photos and you'll be able to see that. But for now, let's have a look at the inside. So here we are inside the 2557 RB. So you're at the back, I'm at the front of the trailer. We've got this L-shaped kitchen with a counter extension, double bowl stainless steel sinks with these plastic covers that fit right there. Remember those functional features. Love that. We've got the Magic Chef cooktop with the glass cover, microwave, and lots of cabinets, lots of drawers. Bottle opener, hello, and into the fridge area. This is still a two-way refrigerator, 6 cubic foot gas electric. And remember, you get that one outside too, so you'll have lots of space for all your food and goodies. Let's have a look at the dinette area. Here we are, Dinette. So we've equipped this trailer. We always want to have an extra sleeping spot. So this would be your extra bed because we've got theater seats, which are super comfortable. We didn't want to give those up. So Dinette. Blackout blinds all around, all these windows open and vent, so they're not cutting corners. They actually give you a venting window in your slide outs. We'll swing you around to the theater seats. So here we are, the nice, comfortable, high-backed reclining seats. I won't do it because then I won't get up, but super comfortable and right across from your entertainment center. So let's have a look at that. TV entertainment area. Nice cupboards and drawers. This is a little cell phone charging pad. Literally, you put your phone on there, it goes bling, and it's charging away. Jensen TV, storage above, and this is pretty special. Behind your entertainment area is a built-in pantry. You could call it a linen closet, all your towels, and then there's a nice wide open space there for brooms and coats, whatever you want, and nobody needs to know it's there. Here we are in the bathroom. The whole back of the trailer is bathroom, so you've got tons of space. Triple glass shower door here, oversized shower. We've got a foot flush toilet, and then oodles of counter space and a medicine cabinet above as well. Remember that outside kitchen is below, so you don't get the bottom storage, but they managed to put some extra little cupboards in there for you. Room here is the master bedroom, and the thing I love is that they give you wide open door spaces but pocket doors, so they're not pushing out into your hallway or into your bedroom. We've got a 60 by 80 regular queen size bed, storage on both sides, 3 big cupboards above, so that is wonderful. But the best part is this has got the magic bed. So underneath the bed with a couple 100-pound shock arms are going to hold that bed up. And you've got storage, little weaved baskets, laundry hamper, and then some drawers. You can kind of layer up your hoodies here too, because it's a bit of a lip here if you can't see that already. So that's a quick tour of the 2557 RB Northern Spirit. We're going to have that both here in Weyburn as well as Watrous. So for a complete listing of all of our inventory, check out minardsleisureworld.com.